Welcome to Time Safari, Inc.
I'm Travis, your guide for today, and this is Lucerne, my assistant. Does the safari guarantee I come back alive?
No. We guarantee nothing except the dinosaurs. Travis will tell you when to shoot. If he says no shooting, no shooting. If you disobey the instructions, there's a stiff penalty of another $10,000 plus possible government action upon your return. Today you will be shooting the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
This is the tyrant lizard, the most incredible monster in history. Signless release. Anything happens to you, we're not responsible.
Those dinosaurs are hungry, you know.
Trying to scare me? Yeah.
Yes. Good luck. The time machine is ready and waiting.
We're going back and beyond any recorded memory.
Don't step off the silver path. For no reason at all. If you do, the entire fabric of time can be unraveled.
Why? You could kill something like a mouse. So, he's dead.
So what? Well, what about the foxes that need those mice to survive? For 1 of 10 millions, the fox dies. For 1 of 10 foxes, a lion starves. For 1 of a lion, all of matter, insects, vultures, infinite billions of life forms are thrown into chaos and destruction. Eventually, it all boils down to this. 59 million years later, a caveman, 1 of a dozen, the entire world goes hunting wild boar or saber-tooth tiger food. But you, friend, have stepped on all the tigers in that region. By stepping on one single mouse, so the caveman starves. And any caveman, please note, he's just not any expendable man. No, he's an entire future nation. From this lion's lives sprung 10 sons. From their lions, 100 sons. From that onward to a civilization. Destroy this one man, and you destroy a race, a people, an entire history of life. He is comparable to slaying some of Adam's grandchildren. The stomp of your foot on one mouth can start to excite an earthquake, the effects of which could shake our earth and its destinies down through time to their very foundations. But death of that, one caveman, a billion yet, unborn fell into the womb. Perhaps your own liver rises on its own hill. Perhaps your earth is forever a dark forest, and only age will wax its heart into. Step on a mouse and you crush the pyramid. Step on a mouse and you can leave your print like a Grand Canyon across eternity. Queen Elizabeth might never be born. Washington might never cross the Delaware, so that there may never be a United States law. So be careful, stay on the path.
Never step off.
Fasten your seatbelts.
How do you know which animal to shoot? They're all marked with red paint. They're the ones that are going to die soon anyway, so it doesn't matter that we kill them.
This one was going to have a tree fall on him. 60 seconds till the dinosaur arrives.
Stay on the path! Oh, no, no, no!
Look, up ahead. There he is.
His Royal Majesty. Shh! It's huge, it will kill us. It hasn't seen us. Why are we here? It can't be killed. Go back to the machine, okay? Okay. Not that way, stay on the path! He's dead.
And there's the tree, right on time.
Go retrieve the bullets, they can't be left behind.
Let's go home.
You ran off the path. Just a little mud, that's all. I might kill you. Check your boots. It was just a butterfly.
Who won the election yesterday?
John McCain? Can't we go back? It must be fixed.